Hi, I'm Jamie, and welcome to New Home Lifestyles, showcasing the best in new home design from around the country. Today we're in Sisters, Oregon with Woodhill Homes at the Saddlestone community. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Kimberly with Woodhill Homes. We're at Saddlestone, our new development in Sisters, Oregon. Today I'm going to walk you through Lot 66 at Saddlestone. It's one of my favorite plans. So there's an oversized porch in the front, which is covered. We have an oversized front door with the 6 window panes up above that add light to our entry. This is our front office. Light, bright, cute little window up there, and double glass doors. All of our hallways at Saddlestone are oversized, so they're very welcoming. So our kitchen with the nice, bright, solid cabinets, large, oversized island with the pendant lighting. Then our dining area, all open and flows right into our living space. As you walk into the living room, you'll notice a propane fireplace. All of our homes in Saddlestone come with their own propane tank. Our back patio has ample space for a table and chairs and a barbecue, a laundry room right off of our main living area, a powder room, and then our main floor master bedroom. I really love our double vanities in the master bath, the oversized walk-in closet, and the privacy it allows so that you can get ready in here while your partner's in the bedroom. As we go upstairs, we enter into a large bonus room area. We have our secondary bathroom. Both of our upstairs bedrooms have walk-in closets. Once again, this is Kimberly with Woodhill Homes at Lot 66 in Saddlestone in Sisters, Oregon. Give me a call anytime. I'd love to show you this wonderful home or any of the other homes that we have available.
To hear more about this community, click the link in the description and stay tuned for more new home showcases.